Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super interesting topic: what's coming after cryptocurrencies? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our videos. Segment 1, Quick Crypto Recap. Okay, let's start with a quick recap. You've heard of Bitcoin and stuff like that, right? Well, they're cryptocurrencies, digital money. But they can be kinda unpredictable and have some issues. Segment 2, Meet CBDCs. Now, imagine if your country had its own digital money, like dollars or euros, but online. That's what central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are all about. They're stable, like regular money, but digital and cool. Segment 3, What's DeFi? Next up, there's this thing called DeFi. It's like doing money stuff online without banks. You can lend, borrow, and trade directly with other people. No middlemen, no hassle. Segment 4, NFTs, fancy digital stuff. Ever heard of NFTs? They're like fancy certificates for digital art, music, and more. They're a big deal because they prove you own something online. It's like having a fancy autograph on a digital painting. Segment 5, Faster Blockchains. Now, about the technology behind all this, blockchains. Some new ones, like Cardano and Solana, are faster and more efficient. Think of them as supercharged highways for digital money. Bonus segment, keep an eye on crypto. And guess what? Cryptocurrencies are changing too. Smart folks are working on making them better and easier to use. So, they might stick around even as new things pop up. There you go, our journey through the future of digital money. Whether it's CBDCs, DeFi, NFTs, or better blockchains, the world of money is evolving fast. Hit that like button if you had fun and drop your thoughts below. Catch you in the next video, stay curious. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool videos.